Hi guys, welcome to Recap Adulting Season 3 Episode 1. So yeah, newlyweds ethi couple Bongabe noNkanyezi, they are celebrating umshado wabo basabe honeymoon phase ngomnandi. So they're planning to have a baby ne, and then uBonga uthengela uNkanyezi a car. Besathi nje kusamnandi besahlele empedeni besancokola and nathi nje ngifuna nje mina abafana abawu7 abawu7 Bonga and amemeze nje kanjalo kumnandi athi nje uBonga khululeka ngine surprise engifowini don't ukhiwe imoto bathi uNkanyezi Bonga mathatha umkhiwe imoto shone ezansi bathi yafika nje ezansi imoto ugcwele igceke and this iyascream ujabule uyayizungeza and then nje uBonga uyasina lapho bathi I got you baby wenza yonke nemsangana ama-dance moves akhe. On the other side Tiki is having a hard time because uzama ukuphila impilo legit. Uyasebenza uyavuka nje ekuseni kwakhe ubhizi nami ugadile yamvusa ekuseni menze iparish and stuff. So yeah, and he's having a hard time because emsebenzini uyabhosa around yatshela amakhona into wrong ukuthi wrong ngilana and iyamucika leyo nto nje ukuthi khona umuntu loke emcasule emlandelela emtshela ukuthi akenzeni yabo. And mabevuka nje kuseni ugogo nje ulana umthandazisa wathandazele noncumisa yonke leyo nto leyo. On the other side basaqhubha izinto benomapaseka umphilisa impilo yasesilungwini nje hayi akayijwayele nje lokho ekhala ngayo umtshentshisa nalendlela aqoka ngayo because kusazoba ne-launch kaBonga and then uyamkhethela izinto akumele ayigqoke lapho menzela isikhaftini and all this stuff and ugogo ngazi ukuthi uyamthanda umapaseka because uyabona ukuthi umfake endleleni. On the other hand uZithu noMpho toxic nje kule cooperating yabo le afike uMpho ezohambisa ingane elo esikoleni ayibuza ukuthi awu iphi into zenza ukudlala ihockey sithi awu yazi ngikhohliwe Mpho ngikhohliwe ukuthi usukule hockey ashilo phansi athi I useless and then athambani bafuna mama niyathatha izinto ze-hockey and Zithu was like Mpho ungakhohlwa imali ama-extra lessons. Mpho hayibo lezi ngane lezi zifuna ugrade 2 it's not like ziyawadinga nje lama-extra lessons and futhi nawe uyasebenza ungayikhokhela athi sikhulumile ngalento Mpho sikhulumile ngalento thule kanjalo kuMpho ambuke nje athi nawe ungayifunda is not like ziyadinga lama-lessons le nawe ungawenza ama-lesson phenduza zithulela angiyona i-housewife Mpho angiyona i-housewife athi nje nawe uyavuka khokhela lama-lesson lawo athi nje sikhulumile ngalento sikhulumile ngayo. On the other side, Palisa is claiming that ingane yakhula kumele ayise-clinic. Mpho avela athi nje uzosebenzisa i-medical aid. Palisa asked for imali ye-lunch. Yani, akhiphe Mpho imali ye-lunch for Palisa ukuthi ahambise ingane e-clinic and then azama ukuthi nje amthambisa afune i-hookup nyane. Palisa nje anqabe turn it down. Ahambe kanjalo kuMpho without getting the hookup leno Palisa. Vuyani ngala usaqhubeka nokuhlanganisa izinto ze-launch umathathatha ubhizi uyathetha emafonini uthethisa ama-supplier uthethisa kumele balethe i-furniture and stuff kumele balungise amatafula. Kuleyo moment le receive i-message from Beth emtshela ukuthi angakhohlwa with nge-housewarming le khona namhlanje emzini kaBonga. So all of them they are going there to celebrate the house and then to also celebrate the car because uBonga will also share the news that they are trying for a baby. Afike umapaseka plus one kaTsiki ne and uTsiki nje is very informal akazizwa nje kahle. uNkanyezi amncoma athi hawu wazi wagqoka kahle mapaseka ugqoke kahle ne uyabona ukuthi ugqoke kahle lapho uTsiki nje besasho ukuthi amajita azomhleka ulewele ayigqokile le On the other hand, ifamily kaBonga nayo iyeza isendleleni iduwile. They phone uBonga bamtshela ukuthi ngathi bathathe wrong route, and then uBonga azama ukuba-director umalume etekisini ubiso umchamo-ke manje. Lapho nje usuqhamuka kwesi-5 kunini umama malume bethi bazama ukumzipha athi hayi imani-ke ngizochama la mina. Hhayi bonke bamemeza bamisa udrayiva-ke agcine etholile uphuma umalume and then ayochama. Befika emzini kaBonga aba-introduce to everyone to i-helper uTsiki. Hayi ubhuti kaBonga-ke ngathi unokumbukabuka uTsiki athi nje kumnamathela ngesikhathi esabakhombisa around endlini sebeyobona indlu kasazofika, then bafice uTsiki hooking up with i-brother kaBonga. Then-ke lapho abaskrima ngomama wakhe bakhipha uBonga nje wenze ngathi uyamthethisa wathi uzosala naye bakline la. Hayi maybe sala naye wamdepha uqhubeka wenze ngathi uyamthethisa say ukline la bafo. On the other hand, the boys meet up for soccer, like for chillers, they're playing soccer, and then uVuyani reveals that akanayo i-liquor license. Inkinga-ke leyo ilontshe ezokwenzeka kanjani i-liquor license ingekho. So yeah, on the other hand uMpho naye yakhala ukuthi obhebe umama bamume lana balobe befuna imali. Lapho at the party bebemhleka bethi nje ndoda awulungisa imoto yakho iyanomsindo obheda kanje. uBonga wathi nami manje usaqoka lezi icathulo zakho zengulube lezi eshintsha. And then he was like niyazi nje no ngondle imndeni ewu-3 obhebe umama bawu-2 phathisa ngekhanda. uTsiki enza iplan yokubona uMinki to help her with i-liquor license for uVuyani. uMinki athi on one conditions, uzongidekela nje itafula anganinenzi ilontshe, uzongidekela itafula nabangani bami sifike lapho kwilontshe leyo keke. uTsiki kungathi angabaza-ke agcine ivumile leyo deal leyo. So Dimiki is coming with her friends to i-launch kaVuyani because usohlanganisile request license for i-club. So yeah, that's the way of paying her back. Lethule toxic nayo futhi ayifuni ukuhlukana. And the day of the launch, so yeah, uBhedi khona habisana noVuyani. uVuyani uyampong uBhedi with supporting her ngemali and stuff, and uzuyasho uBhedi ukuthi nje ngikwazi kakuhle la uyamncoma for improvement and stuff, and abaseyasho ukuthi-ke ngikwenze lokho ngaphandle kwakho. Athi but yes imali yami la mina o-investile la. Dimingster arrives kwi-launch ne-crew yakhe beze kwitafula bathembisa athi nje ngiyazi ukuthi uzosiblessa namhlanje, so ngile nabangani bami awusikhombisa itafula. uTsiki abize uMapaseka to introduce her to uDimingster, and then he was like Halle Berry uSarafina uHalle Berry lo vele ngisize uSarafina uyena ngisize nge-license for uVuyani. And then-ke athi alula isandla uHalle Berry athi nice to meet you. Athi ya ubuka sihuwa washintsha Tsiki. Athi nje kwaze wamnandi ama-social worker ajula nama-patient awo awukungifaki nami yini kudingakalani umatric nami nginawo azame-ke ukumkhuza-ke uTsiki-ke ukuthi uyazama-ke ugwara uMapaseka. Then-ke kwi-launch badansa kumnandi abone uMinki edansa nomunye nje uGuy abe nesikhwele ayomsusa uGuy lo eduze kwaMinki ambize, and then they go to bathroom, then they hook up umike benotsikitsiki khona lapho we launch khona lapho ukhona umapaseka netsikitsiki, they going home now. Umapaseka avela athi nje I love you, wajama utsikitsiki wavele nje wathi hayi uphuma emotweni wamshiya kanjalo. It looks like our guy is not on the same page with i-lady, cause akekho yena lapho, and umapaseka is in love with utsikitsiki. Lapho utsikitsiki akekho lapho, udlala ama-games. On the other hand, Paul usezitholele i-lady ayibizwa uRose, sazi noma uRose ngempela yini. Then they go to indawo kaMpho to hook up food, and then in the same instant he received the call from uZithu. Aloke ezama ukuze bagcine sebambile, athi uZithu, ye wena Mpho, yini ungabambi ifoni mangithi ngiyakufonela njalo? Athi nje ngeke ngilongigijima njalo wena makufona wena ngilongibabana namafoni. Athi sukhohliwe yini imali yama-lessons? Awazi ukuthi kumele ukhokhele ama-lessons? Kwathi nje na tshelile ngathi ngizowakhokhela ama-lessons, awumi kancane, uyisicefe nje Zithu, acishe ifoni. Qhubeke aye kuRose, mayifika kuRose ayeke he's unable to perform. So Rosie-ke acasuke-ke aphuma ahamba amshiye kanjalo, athi uyachaza ukuthi hayi le phone call engiyitholile leni ngithene off, ima kancane ngilinda, athi uyazama ukudonsa alivuki. Rosie thatha into zakhe agqoke aphuma ahambe, sala njalo Mpho enyanyile. On the other hand, uNkanyezi noBonga basaqhubeka with the celebration, ba in bed. Then abaphazamisa uNkanyezi athi my love, athi ya amtshela ukuthi akhona i-promotion emsebenzini. Athi uBonga hawu into enhle nje leyo, uyazi kuhlale ngikusupport nje. Athi inkinga ukuthi ngifuna sime ngalokuzama ingane, cela unginikeze 5 years before we try for ingane. So yeah, jame kanjalo kuBonga, ngayithathi kahle lezo indaba. It's like i-honeymoon phase isiphelile for our favorite couple. Yeah, kushubile because Kanyezi got promotion and akayimisele ukuphazanyiswa ingane in this situation. Yeah, so that is for episode 1. Please stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and ring that bell. Thank you.